Hello everyone, this is the evac Fire Alarm, and today we're celebrating the National Fire Alarm Day, October the 14th, 2021. Now, while I do have a lot of alarms, I do not want to make this a multi-alarm celebration because I am not a fan of that loud noises going on for so long, and I really don't like to have a lot of devices here. It'll clutter a mess. I might do it for New Year's, but for now I am not interested, nor will be planning to do any of this for now. However, I am planning to do something for the first time for my YouTube channel. Now, what could that be? Well, as you can see when I'm zooming, this is a speaker alarm. Both of these are speakers. Now, if you want to know the model number, this is a 4902-9705. This is a 4903-9147, if I'm not mistaken. It's a 15 Candela. I have a speaker. Both of them are the same speaker. Now, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using a voice evac message coming out of my computer right here. I do not have a voice evac panel, but as long as I have an amplifier that can make sounds out of these, that'll be fine. Now, this will be the first video I'll upload to my channel that will feature a voice evac, but it'll all come out from my computer audio plug. Now, I'm using my headphone for now, but that will change in a second. Anyway, happy Fire Alarm Day, take care, and see you next time.
Attention, attention, attention. An emergency has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest stairway exit and walk down to your assigned re-entry floor or main lobby. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Attention, attention, attention. An emergency has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest stairway exit and walk down to your assigned re-entry floor or main lobby. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Attention, attention, attention. An emergency has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest stairway exit and walk down to your assigned re-entry floor or main lobby. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway.
Here's the bonus video. Now, you may be wondering why the fire alarm is laying down like this. Well, this clip should explain it. Alright, so right here is a converted 4903-9147 to 9220 Edward 895B-201 Wheelock NS4-24MCW.FW. Unfortunately, this originally come with a red trim plate instead of the white one. And as you can see, it's multi-candela, and to approve it's an NS4. Here it is. Oh, I got the model number right. Anyway. So, here goes the bonus video. Again, take care.